souffle sur les plaines de la Bretagne armoricaine. Je jette un dernier regard sur ma femme, mon fils et mon domaine. Hakim, le fils du forgeron, est venu me chercher. Les druides ont décidé de mener le combat dans la vallée, là où tous nos ancêtres, de géants guerriers celtes, après de grandes batailles se sont imposés en maîtres. C'est l'heure maintenant de défendre notre terre contre une armée de cimériens prête à croiser le fer. Toute la tribu s'est réunie autour de grands menhirs pour invoquer les dieux afin qu'elle puisse nous bénir. Après cette prière avec mes frères sans faire état de zèle, les chefs nous ont donné à tous des gorgées d'hydromel. Pour le courage, pour pas qu'il y ait de faille, pour rester grand et fier quand nous serons dans la bataille. Car c'est la première fois pour moi que je pars au combat, et j'espère être digne de la tribu de Dana. Quelques incantations de druides et de magie, toute la tribu, le glaive en main, courait vers l'ennemi. La lutte était terrible, je ne voyais que des ombres, tranchant l'ennemi qui revenait toujours en surnombre. Mes frères tombaient l'un après l'autre devant mon regard, sur le poids des âmes que possédaient tous ces barbares. Des lances, des haches et des épées dans le jardin d'Éden, qui écoulait du sang sur l'herbe verte de la plaine. Comme ces jours de peine où l'homme se traîne à la limite du règne, du mal et de la haine. Fallait-il continuer ce combat déjà perdu? Mais telle était la fierté de toute la tribu. La lutte a continué comme ça jusqu'au soleil couchant. De férocité extrêmement, plus d'acharnement. Fallait défendre la terre de nos ancêtres enterrés là, et pour toutes les lois de la tribu de Dana. Au bout de la vallée, on entendait le son d'une corne d'un chef ennemi qui rappelait toute sa horde. Avait-il compris qu'on lutterait même en enfer, et car la tribu de Dana appartenait cette terre? Les guerriers repartaient, je ne comprenais pas tout le chemin qu'ils avaient fait pour en arriver là. Quand mon regard se posa tout autour de moi, j'étais le seul debout de la tribu, voilà pourquoi mes doigts se sont écartés tout en lâchant mes armes, et le long de mes joues se sont mis à couler des larmes. Je n'ai jamais compris pourquoi les dieux m'ont épargné de ce jour noir de notre histoire que j'ai compté. Le vent souffle toujours sur la Bretagne armoricaine, et j'ai rejoint ma femme, mon fils et mon domaine. J'ai tout reconstruit de mes mains pour en arriver là. Je suis devenu roi de la tribu de Dana.
If you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, did you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home. superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. And so the soap opera is told. It unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. That it don't, that don't. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better no more games. I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this motherfucking roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, and I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, these goddamn food stamps don't buy diapers, and there's no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life, and these times are so hard, and it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus, see this order caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her. Too much for me to wanna stay in one spot. Another damn monotony's gotten me to the point I'm like a snail. I've got to formulate a plot or end up in jail or shot. Success is my only motherfucking option. Failure's not. Mama love you, but this trailer's got to go. I cannot grow old in Salem's lot. So here I go, it's my shot. Feet fail me not. This may be the only opportunity that I got. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. You can do anything you set your mind to, man.
It's okay, I'm good. Let's go! Yeah, yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Let it rain, let it pour away. We won't come down until we hit the ground. Yeah, pass out. Yeah, I'm in charge now. I'm a star and I want my fucking cars down. I live a very, very, very wild lifestyle. Heidi and Audrina, eat your heart out. I used to listen to you, don't wanna bring arms out. I've got so many clothes I keep some in my aunt's house. Disturbing London, baby, we about to branch out. Soon I'll be the king like Prince Charles. Yeah, yeah, and there ain't nobody fresher. Semester to semester, raving with the freshers. 20 light bulbs around my table and my dresser. CLC compressor, just in case that don't impress her. Say hello to Dexter, say hello to Uncle Fester. Got him gazing at my necklace, I'm a crazy sun protectors. G-Shocks, I got a crazy dumb collection. Haters, I can't fucking hear your reception. Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Let it rain, let it pour away. We won't come down until we hit the ground and pass out. Yeah, she was meant to last for 24 hours, right? Yeah, hello, they say hola, and they say bonjour. I'm pissed I never got to fly on a Concorde. I've been Southampton, but I've never been to Scunthorpe. I'm fucking crazy with the kicks, call me John Claude. I'm back to be a bigger star than my mum for. Cause every day I got a groupie at my front door. Now I drive past the bus I used to run for. Where's my fucking clap? Where's my uncle? I walk alone, cause I was born alone. I chucks her just for fun, I'll never ever call her phone. I leave her in the club, I'll never ever walk her home. The other fucking foundation, I'm the cornerstone. I'm pretty famous, I'm sorta known. And if your son doesn't, I bet your daughter knows. Check out my visual, check out my audio. Extraordinary yo, hope you enjoy the show. Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Let it rain, let it pour away. We won't come down until we hit the ground and pass out. Look at me, I've been a cheeky bastard, man. And look at all the drama we started. Now I'm in here laying on my back, singing DJ, won't you give me one more track?
drums of the east, paralyzed and possessed by crusaders to see, lost to the sirens that call from the turbulent tide. Science that lives on the lips of the wise. Beating like a million drums, fighting like a million guns, mother of a million sons.
you hide. Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong. Headstrong, we're headstrong. Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong.
Allez, on est rendu où là? Rick, on est-tu là pour
Regarde, il doit rester 2 miles. Ça fait quoi? Ça fait 1h30 qu'on se fait dire ça, qu'il reste 2 miles.
Qu'on nous dit qu'il reste 2 miles.
Je sais pas, mais 2 miles, c'est pas les nuages.
Sacrément, on voit absolument rien.
Toi, Max, comment tu sens ça?
Je fais ça bien, à part que je suis un peu sété dans ce moment.
Il y a rien.
Là, c'est quoi ton nom?
Max.
Max? Puis Max? Ça roule?
Ça roule.
Parfait. Parce qu'il reste à la descente, on peut pas monter bien plus haut.
Ouais, en effet, si on monte encore ça, on s'en va
Voilà.
Ben, pour vrai,
on est au Mont-Olympe en réalité. Hein?
Ah ouais, right.
Ouais, c'est ça. Puis, on s'en va voir nos grands-parents. Là.
Les Arisley.